Okay, thanks.
As it is the court, madam, we appreciate the effort from the state, madam. Now, the court is now properly constituted because these are criminal proceedings. Thank you, madam.
Usasengaphansi kwesifungo nomndeni.
Thank you, Mr. Mube. You were saying on the day on which Brigadier Kininda approached you, the 30th of June 2020, he had 3 photos, except that which he showed you of the body of the deceased. Now, you have mentioned that the first photo was that photo that was taken on the 26th of October 2014 at 15:30 there at Masibugo. And which was the second photo which he showed you? You said it was a photo with 4 people in it.
Uye wabeka la enkantolo ke wathi ke umntwana uGilinda mhla ka 30 June ngo2020 weza ke nethombe. Kule thombe lezo bekhona futhi ezintathu leza khompyutha zona soqala ilesi ke sathethulwa mhla ka 26 October ngo2014 isikhathi ke ku 3:30 lapha eMazibuko. Uye wathi sesibili ke lapho sibeka khona amadoda amane esiphi leso?
Yiso bese live TV.
Is the one that is projected on the screen?
What did he say about it?
Uye wathini ke ngalesithombe lesi lapha ku TV?
Wangibuza ukuthi ubani lapha.
He asked who are these people?
Ngichazela ukuthi yimi Maphisa Mabhungu uSiphiwe.
And I explained to him that it is myself, Maphisa, Mabhungu and Siphiwe.
Now,
Spivo, sorry.
Just for purpose of education and for the court to follow, when you say Mapisas, Mabhungu and Spiva and Yimi, let's just give a proper identity to the people that we're seeing on the photo. Let us start with the gentleman on. We always start to count on the left and we go to the right. I can understand you are left-hand side. Maybe it's a bit of a vice versa there, but normally we start to count from the left and then we go to the right. Do you understand?
Yes,
As we are looking at the photo.
Nkathi sininge uma ke sibala ke qala ku left ke size ke singapha ku right angithi.
Thank you. Let us start with the gentleman on the extreme right. This is the photo that Brigadier Kininda had when he approached on the 30th of June 2020. Not so.
Lesithombe lesi leso ke uBrigadier Kininda eza naso mhla ka 30 June 2014 ngale nkathi eza kuwena.
Yebo esinye sazo lezi ntathu afika nazo
Yes.
ngibona sazo.
Yes, it's one of the 3.
And you told him who these people are. Let us start with the person who's appearing on the photo on the extreme left.
Wamjodla abantu abobana ngithi masiqale ke lo ngalomuntu lo ngale ku left. Ubani yena?
Lo sekuqaleni uSiphiwe Ntuli.
The first person here is Spiva Ntuli.
And the person with a white cap and wearing a T-shirt that has got different colors, black, green, and white.
Ukhuluma ngalogqozi mhlophe efake neskipa ke sembala ehlukahlukene, umbala omnyama, green nomhlophe.
Yebo.
Yes.
Thank you.
Lo wesibili Mabhungu Ntuli.
The second person is Mabhungu Ntuli.
Right.
Lo
Is that a person that is also wearing a cap with some with a light blue and a black T-shirt, also a little bit striped.
Naye lo muntu okhuluma ngaye ugqoka isigqoko futhi naso iskipa ke sinama stripe ke umnyama a blue.
Yebo.
Yes.
Mabhungu Ntuli.
That's Mabhungu Ntuli.
Right, and the third one.
Owesithathu,
Maphisa.
that's Maphisa.
There's now the person who's wearing a cap, who is wearing a blue T-shirt and a khaki trouser.
Ugqoke ikepisi, iskipa ke si blue nebhuluku elikhaki.
And is also having a chest chain. A necklace, yes, a necklace.
ugqoke futhi ke nobucwebe la entanyeni.
Ayi angazi noma necklace noma yini.
Ah.
But ikepisi leli kepisi aligqokile le lapha ngalo phansi lapha emontweni bobu.
I'm not sure whether he's wearing a necklace there. However, to comment about the cap, this cap that he's wearing on this picture that is depicted on here on in court is the same cap that he's wearing on another picture behind the car.
Iyofule kepa ayigqokile nale Mazibuko hostel.
It's the same cap that he was also wearing at Mazibuko Hostel.
Yeah.
Yes,
Manje impahla kusasesizwe ayigqokile
but the clothes is not the same
ngoba wayesehambe wayogeza.
because he had gone to take his bath.
Yeah.
And the last person?
Lo muntu ogcina ubani yena?
Yimi uMthobisi Mncube.
That's myself, Mthobisi Mncube.
Now, according to the state, this photo was taken on the same day, but at around in the early hours of the morning. But it was taken on 26/10/2014. I've written here the morning photo. I think it was taken in the morning. But it was a photo on the same day, according to you. Just to put my notes into perspective. Do you still remember at what time could this photo have been taken? On the 26th of October 2014, as per the state's evidence?
Manje ke umbuso wona uthi ke lesithombe lesike sathathwa ke intathakusa ke mhla ka 26 October ngo2014. Uthi kommeli ukuthi mhlambe ke ungachaza kahle ukuthi kahle usakhumbula wena ukuthi ithombe lesike sathathwa nini?
Okwesikhathi ngabe ngiqamba manga.
Yes.
Concerning the time, I would be lying, my lord.
Kodwa kwakusekuseni.
But it was indeed in the morning
Before ngisambe la sespread.
before we proceeded to Spruit.
Sedrobheni la iflat lesasihlala kulo lesifulathele.
Here it's in town. This is the flat. The flat behind is the flat where we stay.
La sasingakagezi la ukuthi sambe.
Here we had not taken our bath or prepared to go or to leave.
It was your earlier testimony that this photo was taken at Main and Nugget Street in Johannesburg.
Whose testimony?
Main and Nugget Street.
Whose testimony was that?
Yes.
Okay.
Not his testimony. You gave instruction to me to put it to Constable Zungu that this photo was taken on the morning of the 26th of October 2014, and the place where you are, or that is depicted in the photo there, it's a Main and Nugget Street in Johannesburg.
Uye wangicela wathi ke ngibekele ke uZungu lokhu kulandelayo ukuthi ke lesithombe lesi ke sathathwa ke mhla ka 26 October ngo2014 sithathwa futhi lapha ku Main no Nugget Street.
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that is correct.
Isithombe sasekuseni lesi ngazi 26 October 2014.
This picture was taken in the morning of the 26th of October 2014.
Yena ndlela engangigqoke ngayo lena ngesikhathi ngingakagezi.
This is how I was dressed before I took my bath.
Ama-dread amalukiwe.
My dreads are plaited.
Ama-dread amade.
They are long
Ayabonakala esithombeni. Ale mahlombe ngemuva.
and they are clearly visible. They show where they are on the shoulders, at the back.
Intama ishiye ekudeni.
They are longer than the neck.
Le nto le khuluma abantu abasendlini akusiyiyo le yase ama-dread amancane afika entameni.
What was testified by those people who were in the house is not the same as what is shown here.
I-light in complexion.
And this is light in complexion.
Umuntu owangibona ngalela langa wayezothi ngibona umuntu onama-dread amade alukiwe light in complexion.
The person who might have seen me on that day will have had to say that he saw somebody with long dreadlocks, and the person is also light in complexion.
Wayengeka yenze iphutha thena ubone umuntu dark in complexion ngibe ngiso ngikhombe lesi sithombe sangalelo langa.
He would not have made the mistake and say the person is dark in complexion. I'm not just shadow boxing. I'm showing the picture that was taken on that particular day.
Kwehlukile into mawukhuluma ngento mhlawumbe isithombe sangelinye ilanga noma so la sikhuluma ngesithombe sa same day.
It's different when you are talking about different pictures, but here we are referring to the picture that was taken on the very same day.
acace ngokusobala ama-dread made
It is-
asemhlane.
It is just clear that the dreadlocks are long on the back,
ilight ilokuze ikhala icace ngokusobala ilight.
and the complexion of the color is also clear. It is light in complexion.
Nengane encane na-2 years yabona lo muntu light in complexion.
Even a 2-year-old child can see that this person is light in complexion.
So umuntu ongazothi lo muntu dark in complexion noma umuntu ongazolandela lo muntu lo ngento engabhaliwe phansi kushuthi kahle kahle uyithathela into zakhe zenzele inqumo zakhe not into eyenzeka ecaleni.
And the person who will say this person is dark in complexion is, or who will deal with this case, will just be doing his own thing.
Ngoba nkosenkantolo uma kunecala ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abasuke bekhona lapho ibona abantu okumele bachaze ukuthi baboneni.
Because if there is a crime, my lord, I believe that the person or the people that who were there are the ones who need to come and explain what they saw.
Angicabanga ukuthi iphoyisa lona ngoba lithuke lingekho lapho lingaze lutho lifundela ukuphoyisa lingasuka lonto ethathe isinqumo salo ukuthi hayi nina lokho nithi mnyama mina ngothatha omhlophe.
I don't think that the police officer who has studied to be a police officer from wherever they studied can just come and say that no, according to me, this is how the person was.
Angicabanga futhi ukuthi abantu ababonile bengathi sibona umuntu onama-dread amafishane lona thatha isinqumo sokuthi hey mina ngifuna umuntu onama-dread amade.
And also the people who saw the culprits had said they saw somebody with short dreadlocks, and the officer comes and say no, the person has long dreadlocks.
Leyo nto ikhomba ngokusobala ukuthi lokho kunobugebengu phakathi obenziwayo lapho.
That is clear that there's something fishy going on there. That's all, my lord.
Thank you, Mr. Mwe. Okay. This was okay. Just before I proceed, did Brigadier Kininda, when he presented this photo to you, did he ask you, of the 4 people who were in the photos, who are you? Or just try to give a picture of how did he say, who were you in that photo? I'm saying, thank you. When Brigadier Kininda presented this photo to you, did he ask you, who are you in this photo?
Ngale nkathi ke uBrigadier Kininda eza ke nesithombe ke sivule ekhomba zona uyakubuza ukuthi ke wena ubani kule sithombe lesi.
Yebo.
Yes, he did.
And what was your response?
Manje wena impendulo yakho wathini?
Ngendlela abuza ngakhona akabuzanga mina straight specific ukuthi ubani wena la.
Yes.
The way he asked the question, my lord, he did not specifically ask who am I in this picture.
Watho ubani lapha.
He said, who are these people?
Ngendlela ngase ngimchazela ngayo mina ukuthi ubani la.
And then that is how I now explained to him who are these people depicted on the photo.
Ngakho ngithi wangibuza ukuthi ubani.
That is why I responded to you by saying he asked me who I am on that picture.
So when he asked you who are these, he was in possession of this photo. And when you responded as to who those people are, you were also referring to those people that are in the photo.
Ngale nkathi ekubuza ukuthi wobani laba uye wakukhombisa lesithombe lesi. Nawe uma uphendula waphendula ke wasomtshela ukuthi wobani labantu abavela kuleso sithombe kunjani?
Yebo wavula isithombe kuqala. Wasebuza ukuthi ubani laba. Ngamphendula mina ukuthi Sphiva, Mabhungu, Maphisa, yimi.
Yes, he opened or he showed me a picture first and then asked who are these people. I then responded to him, that is Mabhungu, Maphisa, Sphivo and myself.
Wayibuza kahle kungalini.
Everything was fine. We were not fighting when he was asking that question.
Yes. And when he was asking that, he was actually looking at you whilst holding that picture in his possession.
Manje ke ngale nkathi ekubuza khona lokho ke ubebheke wena futhi ephethe lesithombe lesi esisibonayo la enkantolo.
Yebo wayephambi kwami.
Yes, he was in front of me.
When you said to him, the last person there, it's me, or when you identified that other person as yourself, did he have any doubt about the fact that you are saying that is yourself?
Manje ke ngalenkathi ke sobabiza bonke abantu sofika kuwena ukuthi ke mina yimi lo ube nakho ukungabaza mamtshela ukuthi wena uwe lo vela kulesithombe.
So what was his reaction? I'm
Wenzeni
just
nje?
trying to find out his reaction.
Ukuthi uye wenzani nje uma umtshela ukuthi mina yimi lo ovelayo la.
Hayi ngabe ngamanga akukho engakubona kwenza.
I did not see any reaction. I would lie if I said I saw any reaction.
Thank you. And then he then proceeded to tell you that you would be charged on the basis of the identification of the identity that was given by the witnesses in the house, you being part of the people who were involved in the killing of Senzo Meyiwa.
Wasekutshela ukuthi ke manje ukuthwesa amacala ke ngokuya ke ngofakazi la bebekhona endlini nawe ke omunye umuntu ke okhonjiwe ukuthi ubukhona lapho.
Mayeqeda ukungibonisa lezithombe nalesi sinye
Yes.
esingavela ngisereportini.
After he showed me all these pictures and another picture that we did not depict where the robot,
Yes.
Lapho kabe sevula khona isithombe sinomuntu olele phansi ogqokile esimhlophe sineke.
he then proceeded paging to another photo that showed somebody who was lying down and he was full of blood.
Yes.
Ngibuza ukuthi ubani.
He asked me who this person was.
Ngambuka lo muntu lo ngathi ayi ngibona ukuthi ngizothi ubani kodwa ayi amehla ngathi awamqala ukungibona.
I looked at this photo that he showed me and I said to me, the face looks familiar. It's not like, it looks like I've seen the person before, but I cannot clearly say or see who the person is.
Yes.
Lapho kabe sekhuluma khona ukuthi njengoba nguCarlos nje shuthi lo muntu kumele ngimazi ngokushuthi ngumuntu webhola nalo muntu umuntu webhola. Lapho ingqondo yami yabuya khona ukuthi usenze ovela benginokumbona hlala ibhola phela kuthi.
And then he uttered a statement saying that since I am Carlos, it means that I'm a soccer person, so I should know this person. That is when now my mind came back and I thought, okay, this is Senzo Meyiwa. I've seen him before. He's a soccer star.
Yeah.
And then he went on to say, I am therefore to charge you for being complicit in the killing of this person that I've showed you.
Waseqhubeka ethi ke manje mina sengilana ukuthi ngizokubopha ukuthi ke nawe ke unasisandla kulomuntu lengikhombise yena la esithombeni.
Yeah, ukusho lokho mangiqeda ukusho mayiqeda ukungibuza lapha ekhuluma indaba kaCarlos nebhola ngase ngithi Senzo Meyiwa wayesethi yeah sokucharge ngalo wena.
Yes, that he said after he had mentioned me being the soccer person and also and when I responded by saying Senzo Meyiwa, he said yes, I am here to charge you for that or for this matter.
Thank you. Mr. Ncube, just to complete that process, that interaction that you had with Brigadier Kininda, did he mention the type of evidence that he had which prompted him to take a decision that he was going to charge you for being complicit in the killing of the deceased?
Okay, manje ke uBrigadier Kininda ke uyawachazela ke uhlobo ke lofakazi enabo yena ethi ke ibona ke bumenze ukuthi ke aze kuwena azokuthwasa lamacala lawo kubulala lawo.
Chaza ngangitshela thina unamfaka uthi yimi ngabo Senzo.
He just told me that he has evidence that I am the one that killed Senzo Meyiwa.
Ngoba mabafika kimi azange bangitshela ukuthi bangicharge. Mina ngokwazi kwami ngathi amaphoyisa mayakubopha yabo. Ngoba bangithole ejele vele bengikade ngiboshiwe vele.
When they came to me, my lord, they did not inform me that they were charging me because when they came I was already incarcerated.
Ngazi ukuthi namaphoyisa kumele akutshele mayibopha ukuthi ndoda siyakubopha sikubopha ngecala so.
According to my knowledge, I think that when the police officials come to arrest you, they will come to you and say to you, "Men, we are arresting you and we are arresting you for this particular case."
Mara bona bakwenzanga lokho bathi bona bafuna ukuthatha ama-measurement ukuthi kwaba ne-shooting for Stores 2014.
They did not do that, my lord. What they did, they said to me they wanted to take some measurement and take photos since there was a shooting in Vosloorus.
Thank you, Mr. Ncube. In a broader analysis of what happened and the way in which I follow you, that's exactly what Brigadier Kininda did. That look, Having gone through all these little things that we've been doing all along, I'm therefore charging you for being complicit. I've got evidence, that's Brigadier Kininda speaking, I've got evidence to charge you for being complicit in the death of Senzo Meyiwa in this case.
Uthi ke ummeli ke uBrigadier Kininda uthi kuko konke lokakwenzile naloko kubekayo ke uye wathi makaqeda wathi ke mina Kininda nginobufakazi bokuthi ke ngikuthwesa amacala kule cala leli ke ukuthi nawe ke unesandla kule cala leli lokubulala. Yes, that's what he said.
Yeah,
He said he has evidence.
The operative word there being, I've got evidence that we are complicit. Evidence meaning evidence admissible in every forum.
Ngamanye amagama ethi ke unobufakazi ke obukhombayo kahle hle ukuthi ke wena unesandla ke kule cala. Yes. Yes, that's what he said, that he has evidence that I am the one that killed Senzo Meyiwa.
Thank you. Now, this could be one of the photos that was showed to you. We've dealt with the first photo that was taken at Mazibuko Hostel. No, at Lisedi. We've dealt with this one. Which is the other photo?
Manje sasikhulumela ke ngesithombe lesike lesathathwa ke Lisedi nalesi ke siphi sinye sesithathu lo sikhuluma ngaso.
The one of a person who's standing near a pole there.
Lo muntu ome phambi kwepala. Yes, this is the picture that is depicted.
That is photo number 32. Yes. Take us through your conversation with Brigadier Kininda about this photo.
Sicela ke ukuthi ke manje ke usithathe ke usibeke ke kule nkulumo yakho no Brigadier Kininda mayelana nalesithombe lesi sibonayo khona manje la enkantolo.
Wangibuza nje ukuthi ubani lo ngamtshela ukuthi
He asked me who this person is, and I told him that he's Mapisa.
Anything further?
Khona kunye futhi sana.
hayi into eyibuza nje mayeqeda ukubuza abantu ukuthi ubani wayibuza nje ukuthi yena ubhulo ngabo bakhe uyabona njengathi sesinyoboza ukuthi baphi ngomthetho hayi ngabagcina uhlale eprofit.
After asking for the identity of these people, the people depicted on the picture, he will then ask who are these people, and my response was that the last time I saw or I was with the person was when he was staying in town.
naye wabuza ukuthi yena uphi ngamtshela ngathi usejele.
Then he asked of him also, and I told him that he was in prison.
wathi liphi ngathi logo.
Then he asked which prison. I told him in Logop.
Thank you. Now, thank you, Mr. Mnube. That was briefly your interaction with Brigadier Kininda with regard to the photos that he showed you when he came to arrest arrest and charge you for being complicit in the killing of the deceased.
Kafishani ke yikho lokho kwenzaka phakathi kwakho nayo Kininda ngalenkathi eza kuwena esho ukuthi ke uzokubophela icala leli. Yes.
Thank you. Let's go back to photo 47. Page 47 of the photo album. Thank you. You would recall that when Constable Zungu testified in his evidence in chief, he identified that Morobe Haikil as an UNO, not so.
Usakhumbula ke ngalenkathi ke uConstable Zungu ethula ke oba kufakazi la enkantolo ke wachaza wathi ke leya moto ke levela la Khemelo iUNO kunjani?
Yebo ngiyakhumbula, but before ngiqhubeke.
Yes, I still recall that before, but
Yes.
before I proceed,
kulesi sithombe maye ngibuza ngabantu ukuthi baphi uMabhulu ngamtshela ukuthi washo.
when he was asking me about the people that were depicted on the previous picture, I told him that Mabungu had passed on.
Yebo uyilo.
That's all.
That's now the photo that had 4 people on it.
Ukhuluma ngalithombe lesinamadoda amane?
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Shall we then proceed?
Singaqhubekela phambili?
Yebo singaqhubeka.
Yes, we can proceed.
Constable Zungu told this court that this is the vehicle and this was an UNO, a vehicle that they used to go and buy liquor from Spar Liquor Outlet on 26 October 2014 in the afternoon after they had run dry of their beverage.
Uthi ke Constable Zungu ke le moto le esibonayo le velile le athi uno iyona ke imoto ke eyasetshenziswa ngalolu suku lolukeka lapha eSpa mhla ka 26 October 2024 ngalenkathi bethenga ke inyembezi zaka Queen.
Do you still recall that evidence?
Usakhumbula lokho?
Yeah,
Yes, I still recall.
Now let's talk about that vehicle, because the court can see that you're there. You're also able to identify those people who are in the photos, particularly on photo number 47 and on photo number page 9. Just a second. Yeah, thank you. There's this photo here that is on page 91 of the main photo album. That is on the main memory stick that was provided to us when the state gave us information about the state. That was on page 91. Is it correct, Mr. Mule, that, again, that was the evidence of the state, that this photo was taken on 26 October 2014 at 15:31, that is 3:30 in the afternoon.
Futhi ke umbuso ke uthi ke lesithombe lesi ke sathathwa ke usuku kumhla ka 26 October ngo2014 isikhathi ke ku 15:31.
Thank you. Now, Mr. Mube, would you agree or do you agree that the photo that is taken at page that is depicted in photo in page 47, page 48, and 47, 48, and this one, which is in 91, are photos that were taken approximately within the same time frame, the difference being either minutes or few seconds?
Mnumzane Ncube uyavumela nami ngithi ke ithombe lesu uthombe number 47 o48 no91 izithombe ke ezathathwa ke ngikhathi esodwa ke mhlambe zingashiyana phela ngomzuzwana nje mbala.
ithombe zangelanga leyi-1 ithombe esendaweni eyi-1.
These pictures were taken the very same day and at the very same place.
So ngivumelana naye umuntu othi lesi sithombe sange-26 October 2014.
I'm in agreement with the person that says these pictures were taken on the 26th October 2014 in Vosloorus.
And the area is the same.
Come again? They said.
Yes, he said. I'm asking if he agrees that this area is the same, or he confirmed that this is the same.
Yeah, Listed.
Yes, I agree that it's in the same.
Thank you. Now, that motor vehicle, what make is that motor vehicle?
Manje ke le moto lena ke yini igama layo?
VW Polo.
It's a VW Polo.
Thank you. So, the fact that Constable Zungu told this court that that was an Uno, and you are saying that was a VW Polo, what would then your response be to his testimony that that was a Fiat, not a Fiat, he said an Uno?
Manje ke uthini kuloko ke okushiwo yena uConstable Zungu uma yena uZungu ethi ke le moto ke le beyi Uno wena uthi le moto le beyi VW Polo?
Awunamanga amaningi.
He's a liar.
Ngoba le moto le VW.
Because this car is a VW, it's not an Uno.
Into eyenza ukuthi asho njalo ukuthi ngoba wayengekho la akayazi.
The reason why he would say that is because he was not there. He does not know about it.
Azange futhi ayibone.
And he did not see it.
Ingakho ke yena ekhuluma nje.
That is why he talks of an Uno.
Story just kind of.
Just a fabrication.
Thank you. Now, Mr. Mube, we have gone through the photos that were taken through your phone that depicts to a larger extent yourself as well in those photos.
Sesikhulumile manje ke ngesithombe lezi ke zatholakala efonini yakho nawe futhi nawe ke ubonakala kuzona lezo thombe lezo. Yes.
Those photos to a larger extent confirm what is also contained in the downloads of your cell phone records.
Futhi lesithombe lezi ke nazo ke sikhuluma inkulumo eyodwa nalama download lawa athathwa ke efonini yakho.
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that's correct.
Ngoba vele ifoni yami ithombe zami.
Because indeed the phone is mine and the photos are mine.
They depict the time at which these photos were taken, the date on which these photos were taken, and the area where these photos were taken.
Futhi ke zikhombisa ke isikhathi lapho ke isikhathi lesithombe zathathwa ngaso nosuku ithombe zathathwa ngaso futhi nendawo lapho ke zathathelwa khona.
Yebo.
Yes.
And that is evidence. That is actually being led by the state. You just confirmed in an extensive way that evidence that the state led against you.
Futhi ke kuufakazi ke noma ke evidence ke le eyaza ngofakazi ababizwe umbuso wena ke so confirm lokho abakubekile lapha la enkantolo umbuso vele.
Yebo.
Yes.
Thank you. Now, from where I am standing, Mr. Mncube, from where I am standing, having gone through this evidence, and the other photos that the state opted not to use because in terms of their case that could not have been relevant. It appears to me like you are a photo lover. I don't know what do they call a photo lover, a person who likes just to take photos, a photophile or something like that. A photo maniac, somebody who loves, I think the court can assist. What do we call a person who loves just taking photos at random, wherever they are, at the scene, at an occasion, they just take photos. You know, they just take photos. I don't know whether they are photo maniac. It's something that loves to do things in the extreme, or a photophile. I don't know. What is the appropriate word, Margaret?
Photo enthusiast.
Photo enthusiast. Thank you, Margaret. It appears to me like you are a photo enthusiast.
Mnumzane Ncube, mina nje ngumnisi ke ngime la ngokubona kwami lokho engicabangayo mina njengomnisi ukuthi ke wena ubonakala ke njengalomuntu lona ke ozithandayo nje isithombe. La ufika khona nje uyaposa, la ufika khona nje uyaposa uthatha isithombe.
Would you agree with me in that regard? Or would my assessment be compatible with who you know yourself to be?
Manje ke lokho ngisho ke uyacabanga ukuthi ke kunjalo vele ngendlela engikubona ngakhona mina ukuthi wena umuntu othandayo nje isithombe nje awuyazithatha nje isithombe.
Yebo ayingasho isikele esiningi.
Yes, most time I do take pictures.
Thank you.
When I'm outside or outdoors.
Thank you. Now, Constable Zungu says you were together at the hostel, at Basuthini Hostel.
Manje ke uConstable Zungu uthi ke beninonke lapha ehostel ke eBasuthini Hostel.
Do you still remember that?
Usakhumbula lokho kusho?
Yebo ngiyakhumbula maqamba manga la.
Yes, I do recall when he was lying before the court.
Thank you. And you would recall that the analysis of the reason why there should have been a gathering of that hostel, it was just a celebration. You guys from the homelands, according to him, Constable Zungu, you were called to come and have a feast there at the hostel. That was a jolly and a jovial mood. There was no somber mood there. It was supposed to be jovial mood, not so.
uConstable Zungu ke uye wachaza la enkantolo wathi ke bekusuku nje phela ukuthi lapho nizijabulise kube mnandi nje nonke nabantu ephuma esigodini ethi lapha ekhaya nihlala nawo neyodwa nizojabulisa nje kube mnandi.
Do you follow?
Usalandela?
Yebo ngiyalandela.
Yes.
Now, in the midst of that occasion, would you agree with me that when people are celebrating mostly, but unfortunately these days even people take photos when they go to funerals and stuff like that. But in the normal sense, photos get taken in circumstances where people are celebrating, jovial, they pose with each other, they are laughing, they are dancing. Particularly, you were eating, according to Zungu, there was meat, there was beer, beverage, there was dancing and everything. Would that not have been an ideal place where photos should have flown around, been taken at random?
Manje ke angithi manje ke kunjalo ukuthi uma ngabe khona mhlambe ke umgubho owenziwayo lapho abantu bejabulile bephuza bezidlela indawo ke evumela ukuthi abantu bangathatha nje izithombe bebonke khona lapho bepose nabanye uthathwane nje izithombe nje ngoba khona umgubho owenzakalayo kuleyo ndawo.
Yebo kwenza kunjalo.
Yes, that is correct.
Kakhulukazi mina ngithanda ukushutha la so
Especially myself, I like taking pictures in every place where I am most of the time.
Thank you. And the situation that was painted by Constable Zungu here at court was that was just a normal day. There was nothing peculiar about that day when he got that invitation.
Utheke uConstable Zungu bekusuku nje fana nolunye lamasuku ke bekungekho mhlambe ke ungathi mhlambe ikona okugujwayo noma okubaleke kakhulu ukuthi ukugujwe ngalolu suku lolu bekuyisuku nje fana namanye amalanga.
Not so.
Kunjalo? He's lying. There's nothing like that. I was never with Zungu and I don't know him.
Understand my question. My question is the picture that Constable Zungu painted here at court. When he got invited to just a normal day, to a normal occasion, nothing peculiar about it except the fact that he was invited to come and meet you for a celebration.
Izwa ke landela ke umbuzo kawusho ke uthi ke ngokuya ke ngayo uConstable Zungu nokumenya kwakhe ke ubemenywa nje phela uthi aze nje phela bengana mhlambe okugujwayo mhlambe ngalosuku lo ubemenyiwe nje ukuthi naye aze lapha lapho nikhona nani nje kuzojabuliswa. Usho njalo. Yes.
Thank you. Now, with that background, when their state led its evidence through or the evidence of Constable Zungu, were the pictures that were presented to court that could have been taken from any of you? Okay, in addition thereto, Mr. Ntanzi as well, being accused number 2 in the case. He had so many photos in his photo album. The state actually went through a lot of photos. Again, that said to me, Mr. Ntanzi is also a photo enthusiast. I think Mr. Ramsipili can confirm. I don't know whether I confirmed that. He says indeed. That is the impression that he got about his client. That is also a photo enthusiast.
Ukungezelela kuloko esenikushilo ke masikhulume ke ngayo umnzana Ntanzi. Umnzana Ntanzi naye kule i-album yakhe esithombe ke tholakala izithombe eziningi naye lapha efonini yakhe. Naye umse Ramsipili naye yavuma uNtanzi ukuthi naye umuntu nje naye uthandeka izithombe.
Mr. Sibiya, accused number, Mr. Mapisa, it doesn't look like one. Mr. Ntuli, it also doesn't look like a photo enthusiast. So we concentrate on yourself and Mr. Ntanzi.
Uma ke sesibheka ke umzana Sibiya cha, mawumbheka nje umzana Sibiya ke hayi songumuntu othanda izithombe. uphinde futhi ubheke umzana Maphisa yena nje necamera nje hayi abahlangani umzana Ntuli ke naye ke asumuntu nje wethombe ke okwamanje ke masibheke ke wena nomnumzana Ntanzi ngathi nina niyazithanda ke nje isithombe.
Mr. Ramusipili agrees with me, and I cannot fault him that his client is falling in the category of the same category as you, of being a photo enthusiast.
Umzana Ramusipili naye ke uyasho ukuthi ke naye client yakhe ke lo umzana Ntanzi ke naye wena naye ke niyafana ke nabantu nje abasithandela isithombe.
Thank you. Now, with that background, did the state present photos, that could have been innocently taken whilst there was that celebration, according to the version of Constable Zungu, that shows that celebration at the Masupini Hostel?
Manje ngalokho ke umbuso ke uthumeli ke umbuso ke ulethile la enkantolo ke izithombe ezathathwa nje thatha kulo yamgidi loyana ke noma ke lapha kule ndawo yabasuthi ngalenkathi ke kujabuliswa nje ngalolo suku.
Did you get my question?
Utholile umbuso?
Awuphinde.
Can you repeat the question again?
I'm saying, Constable Zungu says there was a celebration at the hostel where you were eating, you were drinking, you were dancing and doing all those things. Now, is there a photo, either from your phone or from Mr. Ntanzi's phone, you being photo enthusiast, that was presented by the state showing you yourself? When I say you, I mean showing yourself, either accused number 2, number 1, 4 and 5, in the company of all these other people that Constable Zungu is talking about, who were part of that occasion.
Okay.
At Masupini Hostel.
I
don't know whether
yes.
I made it, yeah.
Yes, is this clear?
Thank you.
Uthi ke ummeli ke uConstable Zungu ke uye wabeka la enkantolo ukuthi ke uye wabizwa ke emgidini lapho bekudliwa khona kuphuzwa khona abantu phela bejabulile ke uthi ke manje ke ngalokho kusakubekile ke sikhona na isithombe esilethwe umbuso la ecourt njengobufakazi esikhombisa wena umsola wokuqala owesibili nowesine nowesihlanu nikule ndawo leya yomcimbi lo esalethwa umbuso la ecourt khona isithombe sinjalo la ecourt.
Asikho isithombe sale ndawo khona ngawuzo.
Not there's no picture of that place where Zungu was.
Thank you. That was in respect of the pictures that were downloaded from your phone. In respect of the pictures that were downloaded from accused number 2's phone, Mr. Ntanzi, is there such a photo?
Manje ke kulesithombe lezi ke zona ezakhishwa ke efonini kaNtanzi ke sikhona isithombe ke esilethwe umbuso la enkantolo ke esikhombisa ke wena noNtanzi umsola wokuqala nowesine nowesihlanu nikule ndawo yomgidi ke ngalolo suku.
Uzankantolo nakuyo futhi fona Ntanzi lezithombe bayiveza la asikho isithombe sale.
There is none of there's no picture like that which was depicted downloaded from Ntanzi's phone.
Thank you. Now, is there any picture that was presented or a photo that was presented by the state wherein you are shown to be in the same picture with Constable Zungu, or any of these accused persons be in the company of Constable Zungu that was presented by the state?
Manje ke kulesithombe ke lezi ke eziyakhishwa ke zadownloada ke efoni lakho ke sikhona ke mhlawumbe isithombe esikhona la enkantolo noma esalethwa la enkantolo ke esiveza wena usendaweni eyodwa ke noZungu noma nabanye abantu bebekhona lapha kule ndawo. Is that what you say?
Yes.
Nabamangalela abala enkantolo. So isithombe siveza wena uZungu abasola abala enkantolo nabanye abantu bebekhona ke kule ndawo.
Asikho futhi angesibebikho into engazangenza.
There is no picture like that, and there will never be a picture like that because it's something that did not happen.
Thank you. Now, Mr. Mncube, remember, you should always have it at the back of your mind that according to the version of the evidence of Brigadier Kininda, is that despite all that we have put on record, that contradicts his identification of the perpetrator who got into the house wielding a firearm. Brigadier Gininda constantly told this court that you had a gun-toting intruder.
Manje ke mnumzane Mncube ke kukho konke lokho ke uBrigadier Gininda ke ayakusho ke nalokho nokushoyo ukuphambanisa lofakazi bakhe mayelana nabantu abayisehlakalo lesi ke kodwa yena uGininda ke usama ke uloku uyaphinda phindela ke usakhuluma into yodwa ukuthi ke wena umuntu ke owadubula ngalolu suku.
Do you follow?
Yes or
Ngiyalondela.
no? Yes.
Thank you. Now, is there a picture that was presented on behalf of the state or during the state's evidence that depicts you? You could have been alone whilst at Basutwini Hostel.
Manje ke sikhona ke mhlambe ke isithombe esaveza la enkantolo ke mhlambe ke siza ngawo umbuso ofakazi ababizwe uyena umbuso isithombe ke esikhomba wena ulaphaya eBasutwini Hostel.
Asikho nkosazantolo, izithombe ezivelayo nazi izithombe zaselokishini.
There is no picture like that, my lord. The pictures that were presented are the ones that are depicted in court, and they are showing that we're at Fosloras.
Thank you. Now, according to the brother testimony of Constable Zungu, is that upon his arrival at the hostel after he had knocked off duty on that day, 26 October 2014, then Gwabeni started to introduce him to you and you to him.
Manje ke
When I say you, I mean you in a plural form with your co-accused.
manje ke ngokuya ke ngabo ke ufakazi baka Constable Zungu uthi ke uZungu uthemaka ubuya ngalosuku lolo ke ubuye emsebenzini mhla ka 26 October 2014 uGwabeni ke wase ke introduce kuwena kini nani futhi introduce kuyena uGwabeni mangithi wena ngikhuluma ngani nonke ke abasola ke laba kulecala leli.
Do you still follow?
Usalandela?
Yebo ngiyalandela.
Yes, I'm following.
That was a meeting, according to Zungu, Constable Zungu, of old friends, not really friends, but of old people that knew each other, and so.
Bekumhlangano ke ngokuya ngayo uZungu umhlangano abantu ke abazanayo.
Yebo maye khuluma la court eqhamuka
Yes.
court isikhona.
Yes, when he was testifying before the court, lying to the court.
Ngoba nalo Gwabeni ngomqale khona la ecourt.
Because even the same Gwabeni, the first time I saw him was when he was here in court.
Na icourt uyitshelile futhi akangazi.
Yes.
He himself told the court that he does not know me.
Yes. Would that not have been an occasion worth photographing the meeting of old people who knew each other, who have not seen each other for some time?
Manje ke lelo bengeke kube ithuba ke lihle ukuthi ke kube khona ke mhlambe ukuthathwa kwesithombe ke kwabantu abazanayo kodwa abagcina nakudala sebabuyile sebahlangene
In normal circumstances.
ngendlela mhlambe ejwayelekile nje.
Masizinsizwa nje isikhathi esiningi sihleli. Singasazana isikhathi esiningi. Nokuthatha vele ithoba.
Yes, as gentlemen, and if we are just hanging around, we do take photos.
Ikakhulukazi hostel. Hostel isikhathi esemahlangano sezinsizwa. Siye silokhu zesiphuzela utshwala, sithathele izithombe, sijabulele, sokumnandi yabona singabantu ukuthi kufika abantu abangahlali la.
Especially when we are at the hostel, when we are gentlemen, when we are drinking, we'll just occasionally take pictures with people, some of the people that are not staying around. We'll just be randomly taking pictures.
Thank you.
So
Is it-
ngisho ukuthi ngalela la kuba kuthiwa ngangise hostel nabantu ekade sacinana nawo kwangeke kungathathwa izithombe ngoba
What?
kwakumnandi ngithi ngendlela kasho ngasifuza umntwana.
What I am basically saying, if indeed on that day I was at the hostel and with people that I've not seen for long. We would have taken pictures because according to him, he said it was nice and we were consuming alcohol.
ngabe zikuyo le phone yami ngoba le phone yami ithathwa amaphoyisa 2015 9 February.
Those pictures were supposed to be on this my phone because my phone was taken by the police on the 9th of February 2015.
So akusavele nane hostel la ukuthi nje nale hostel lase Phosphorus.
So on those pictures, not even a picture that depicts the Phosphorus hostel is found or is there.
So among the hostel.
So everything that Constable Zongo is saying just lies, my lord.
Thank you. Now, he further told the court that after the party ran out of beverage, then you yourself, accused number 2, the driver of the vehicle, himself and another passenger went out to go buy liquor at the Spa Liquor outlet around Phosphorus.
Mr. Minister, do I hear you correctly? Accused number, the
Himself?
accused and accused number 2.
2 years.
They went with
With him, Constable Zungu, the driver and another passenger. In other words, they were 5 in number.
okay. Uye waphinda futhi ke waqhubeka wathi ke uma ke seniphuzile ke utshwala basephela wena umsola wesibili yena uZungu udriver nomunye futhi umuntu ke noyi5 niyena driver ke nahamba ke naye lapha eSpa lapha phuza khona ke amanzi amponjane niyothenga futhi.
Do you recall that?
Uyakhumbula kusho lokho? Yes, I do.
Thank you. Now, in photo number 47 and in photo number, the photo just adjacent to photo number, so what photo is it now? The one, photo number 91, that photo on photo album 91, yes, the photos that are depicted there. You are seen having a drink there. Do you mind to share with this court what was the occasion, the drink and stuff like that?
Manje ke uma ke sibheka ke ithombe lezi ezimbili ke sithombe ke u47 nosithombe ke u91 lapho ke uvela khona ke ungasitshela ukuthi ke bekwenzakalani lapho futhi ke ubuphuza ini.
Photo number 47 is a photo on your left, and photo number 91 is a photo on your right. This is 47.
Lesi ke u47
That is photo number 91.
lesi
Which photos were saying they were taken around the same time? The difference could have been seconds or minutes.
ithombe zakhona ke uyawasho la uthathe ke ngosuku olodwa ngikhathe sodwa ke mhlawumbe umehluko ngaba imizuzwana nje phela uthathwa kwalesi thombe.
Yes.
So ungasitshela ukuthi ke manje la bekwenzakalani futhi ke ubuphuza.
Hayi sasivimele nje la siphuzela utshwala. Esandleni ngiphethe i-power play esandleni.
We were just there drinking alcohol, and on my hand I'm holding power play.
Kodwa mina ngiphuza Castle Light.
But personally I drink Castle Light.
Obviously ke nayo yayikhona la ngoba vele ngiphuzayo.
Obviously it was also there since I drink Castle
Thank you.
Light.
Now again, back to our to the analysis. With what was happening here, on the version of Constable Zungu, the fact that you went out to buy alcohol, if indeed and you are saying he wasn't there, if indeed he was there, would not have been part of these photos that are depicted here.
Manje ngokuya ke ngokuhlaziya ke kwethu ke ngendlela kwenzakale ngakhona njengoba nayo iZungu echaza ukuthi ke ngalosuku lolo ke niyena hamba niyothenga kutshwala ke uma ngabe ngempela uZungu naye ubekhona lapho ke ube ngazavele ke kulesithombe.
Angabukhona ngithi phela umuntu athena sasenayo.
He was supposed to be showing on the pictures because he says he was with us.
futhi ngendlela asho ngayo umuntu oyespecial nje ngendlela asho ngayo ngendlela athiwa chazwa ngayo uma efika yena.
And the way he narrates everything, it gives a picture that he was a special a guest or a special person.
So kumele ngabe ukhona izitho.
He was supposed to be showing or appearing on the pictures.
So the fact that he is not in the pictures, what does that say about his testimony?
Manje ukuthi ke manje ngoba manje akekho yena uZungu kule thombe lezi kusho ukuthini lokho?
Kusho unamanga. Hayi nokuthi kusho unamanga unamanga.
It means he's lying. He's a liar.
Umuntu vele unamanga lo.
He's somebody that has lies. He's a liar.
Njengoba nobaba wakhe achazela ukuthi wathe uceleze wafakazela kule case. Watshela ubaba ukuthi hayi zokufakazela ecaseini wazi kahle ukuthi lamhlophe akazi lutho ubaba wakho ngayo.
Even his father did mention that he had approached him to come and testify on their behalf. How can you ask your father to come and do that when he does not know anything?
Lo nto kwenza ngisobala ukuthi nje umuntu onamanga.
That just clearly shows that he's just a liar.
Thank you. By the way, Constable Zungu said he was also called and had a constant communication with Gwabeni over the phone when they were making arrangement for him to come and, according to Constable Zungu, join the celebration at Basotweni Hostel, not so?
I didn't get that, Mr. Minister.
I'm saying, by the way, Constable Zungu told this court that he has been in constant conversation over the phone with Gwabeni when he got invited to join, according to Zungu, the celebration at Basotweni Hostel.
Uye wachaza ke uZungu ukuthi ke ube lokathintana ke naye ke mnumzane Gwabeni efonini ngale nkathi ke meme ukuthi naye eze ezojabula nje nawo.
Yebo.
Yes.
So were any pictures probably that were presented just to edify or to confirm his evidence or his narrative that there was such an incident that took place or an occasion that took place?
Manje ke sikhona mhlambe ke ithombe ke eziveziwe la enkantolo ke nazo ke ezikhombisa ukuthi ngempela bekhona ke okunjalo kwenzeka ke ngalolu suku.
Photos that came from his phone.
Ithombe ke ezibuya ke efonini yakhe.
I like what is answered.
Not here in court, we did not see those.
Thank you. Mr. Mube, in brief, those are the photos that were presented to court, which photos confirm or are confirmed by the movement of your phone, on that day.
Mnumzane Mncube ke manje ke nazi ke isithombe ke izithombe lezi ke ezikhombisayo ukuthi ke wena ngalosuku lolo ke ubukuphi noma buhambela ngakuphi.
Yebo.
Yes.
In addition to what we have dealt with up to this far with regard to the cell phone record and these photos, is there anything that you want to add?
Mayelana ke nama cell phone record ke nale thombe lezi khona mhlambe kuyo futhi ofuna ukuthi mhlambe ke uPaul noma kusho okungazange mhlambe ekhulumeke.
Into engayisho nje mina ukuthi abasuthu downstairs azange zifike.
The only thing that I can say, my lord, is that I never stepped my foot at Basotweni Hostel.
uZungu angimazi
And
uConstable Zungu.
I don't know Constable Zungu.
uGwabeni la khuluma ngaye angimazi uGwabeni.
Even the Gwabeni that he's mentioning, I don't know him.
Makhosonke la khuluma ngaye angimazi.
Including Makosonke is unknown to me.
I choose number 1 angimazi uSibili.
I don't know accused number 1, Sibiya.
I choose number 2 angimazi Ntanzi.
I don't know accused number 2, Ntanzi.
Le nto athi yenzeka lapha ePostoli se 26 October 2014 ehostel eBasotweni. Into engazange ziyenzeka.
What he has mentioned or testified that took place on the 26th of October 2014 at the Basotweni Hostel, it's something that did not happen.
Le nto lelo ibona ngento eyi1 ukuthi uZungu lento uyayikhanda ukuthi istatement sakhe sinama number eyithombe.
One thing that shows that Zungu is fabricating everything is that his statement already has picture numbers.
akukwazi ukuthi witness ibe nayithombe zecala.
It is not possible that a witness could have the pictures of the case.
Ngoba imenshina nje ngelokhuzana ngamanamba okusho ukuthi vele abantu babehlalele phansi ihlelwa lento le.
Since he was mentioning the pictures according to their numbers, it is clear that they planned this whole thing.
Elicala mina ngiqala ukulihamba 2020.
And I started attending this case in the year 2020.
2022 ngaqala ukulikhuluma kujaji inkosi enkantolo enye uJudge Maumela.
And in 2022, that's when I started, the matter started in court with Judge Maumela.
Kungekho statement sikaZungu.
At that time, there was no statement from Zungu.
Kuthe makushintsha inkosi enkantolo ngelokuzana elandelayo kwase kuba nestatement sikaZungu.
When the court was changed on another date, now the Zungu statement surfaced,
Sange 31 May 2023.
which dated the 31st of May 2023.
Leso statement leso uZungu menshina ngamagama ubiza amagama enqwaba.
In that statement, Zungu mentions a lot of names.
Biza uCarlos, biza uGadla, biza uThobisi, biza uThelezi Boy.
On that statement, he mentions names like Carlos, Gadla, Ntobisi, and Buthelezi Boy.
Akukwazi ukuthi mina ngaba uThelezi Boy.
It is not possible that I could be Buthelezi Boy.
uThelezi lo kade mla unengane ekhaya kithi.
The Buthelezi who was before this particular court, my lord, has a child at home, in my home.
Now, which one are you referring to?
Ukhuluma ngomuphi uButhelezi?
Qiniseka uThelezi.
I'm referring to Qinisekani Buthelezi.
Ukhulile umdala umfana omdala ufuna ugrade 11.
And the child has grown, the boy is in grade 11.
So mina ngikwazi ukuthi ngaba wakuThelezi.
So it is not possible that I could be from the Buthelezi clan.
Akusiso nje isihloko kwakuThelezi.
I am not even related to the Buthelezis.
Ngisho umfana wakubo omunye nengane yakithi futhi.
Another brother or another one of his brothers has a child at home with
Yes.
one of my sisters,
Wakho omncane.
his younger brother.
So angikwazi ukuba uThelezi. Lento ukuthi uThelezi boy into ekhandwa ihlanganiswayo ukuthi ngithathe ngifake uThelezi impilo.
So I could never or I cannot be Buthelezi boy. This Buthelezi boy thing is just something that they are forming.
Yonke lento ekhandwe lapha lesi statement lesiyana into engazange izenzeke.
Everything that was formed or planned in that statement is something that did not happen, my lord.
Lokhu ukuthi ngamagolide enini okubhalwe lesi statement into engazange sibe khona le.
The issues about having a gold that was written on that statement is something that did not take place.
Mina nginje amazinyo amanje izalwa kwami.
I am the way I am now. This is how I was born. This is how my tooth has always been.
Enile kwaleli golide leli livezwa kulesi sithombe lifika la ecourt 2025 isithombe sakhona.
And even this picture that was depicted before the court that shows the gold tooth only appeared or surfaced in court in 2025.
But uGinendu uthena bayithole 2020 lezi thombe.
But Gininda's testimony was that they found or they got these pictures in 2020.
Isithombe esomuntu laphana umfowethu.
The picture of my brother there,
Silethwe la ecourt from iqala le case.
it was brought before the court at the beginning of this case.
The photo 15. 1-5. Is this the photo that you're referring to when you said my brother's photo?
Yiso lesi sithombe somfowenu moto ngani kathi umfowenu?
Yebo yizo lesi.
Yes, this is the picture.
Okay, what about it? Proceed.
Sicaca ukusobala ukuthi sile gold teeth lesithombe.
It is clear on this picture that the person there depicted has a gold tooth.
Awubuze awufuniseli gold teeth.
You cannot be guessing or asking questions. That is gold tooth. It's clear.
Yes.
Lesi sami ngokuthi besinganayo gold teeth. Ingakho singazanga la kuqala kwecala.
My own photo, because it did not have a gold tooth, that is why it was not brought before the court initially.
Ingakho kwazi kwathiwa yimi lo ebebona kahle ukuthi abafana babantu.
That is why he said, I am the one, referring to this picture depicting on the projector, knowing or seeing very well that these people don't look alike.
Ngoba yini into ehlanganiswayo la ukuthi ayena mele sondelele kulezi zinto ezifunakalayo.
Because it's something that they're just fabricating, just making so that, I can be pinned to this.
Ngoba ukwazi ukufanisa lesithombe lesinami ubone ukuthi ayihlangani lezi zinto.
Because there's no way that you can compare this picture and myself, because these two things don't go together.
Kodwa ngokuthi bekumele ukuthi ngibe nezinyo legolide mina ingakho ukuthathwa lesithombe kwathiwa yini.
So just because I was, according to them, I was supposed to have a gold tooth, that is why they took this picture and then said that was me.
Ngoba umuntu ongena wakhumalo unegold teeth.
Because the person that entered in the Khumalo's resident had a gold tooth.
Engusho ngezinto ezibhalwe phansi neshoki nendala ecourt.
What I'm saying now, I'm saying because of the things that were written down and also things that were testified by Gininda before the court.
So lezi zinto lezi ayihlangani.
But so these things, they don't tally.
Kodwa bona bazama ukuyihlanganisa ngenxa ukuthi hayi khona bangifuna kodwa manje ayiyabaxaka lento la kodwa bona bayazama yonke indlela ukuthi bangifuna.
Because they are trying to pin me here. They really want me, but they can see that things are not really working for their good.
And uyabona ukuthi ugenenda kalali ukuthi yini indlela engizombamba ngayo ngoba yonke into ihlanganisile ngayo yonke indlela kodwa manje iyahlukana.
And you can see that Gininda is restless or he does not sleep because he tried, to fabricate, but things are not going his way.
Ubona ngishingane encane ukuthi lento le ugenenda ihlanganisile intembile engahlangani.
Even a small child, my Lord, can see that these are two things that really don't tally together.
Kodwa yena ngoba akafuna ukuhluleka uzabe ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi angifake noma abone ukuthi ayila ngiphoqete engaphoqeki.
But because he does not want to fail, he had made sure that he tries everything that he has, but he can see that no, these things does not really tally together.
Angimangale okunye uLishabani ushilo la ecourt ukuthi amaphoyisa afuna ikhulu.
I'm not surprised, my Lord, because Lishabani did come before the court and testify that, other police officials, they just want promotions or ranks.
So benza noma yini ukuthi bezokwazi ukuthi egcina lokho konke bapromote.
They can do anything so that at the end of the day they'll be promoted.
Lento nje enzogininda kahle kahle ngale case nalento uthatha izithombe zami kanje nathi yimi engene lapha kodwa ingahlangani nedocument. Ihlambalaza amaphoyisa eSouth Africa.
That what Gininda has done, my Lord, taking my pictures, trying to make them look like it's me or it's not me, my Lord, that all act on its own, it's really disgracing the police department in South Africa.
Usuthi lo muntu uyacabanga ukuthi uyobika amaphoyisa ubonta akuyafana zigebe.
Because even if they think of going and open a case at the police, they will end up not doing so because they will say, but these people are just criminals themselves.
Ngendlela kwenzeka ngakhona ngoba uyabona lento yonke lento eyenzakala la enkantolo uyayibona ukuthi ikhandiwe.
Because everything that is happening before the court, it is just clear that it is a fabrication.
Wena akafuni ukuhluleka noma ecourt la isela ecourt izinto bambuza akafuni ukuvuma ngoba manje mayivuma uyabona ukuthi ayoyifaka ehlathini.
Because he has failed, my Lord, even when he was before the court, some of the things when he was asked, he refused to acknowledge because he could see that he has disgraced himself.
So lonke lento lekuthiwa yenzakalile ngalezi ayithombe lezi zami iyona indlela okwenzakale ngayo ngezithombe zami le.
Everything that has been said or that has happened with my own picture, that is what happened.
Hayi le abakhuluma ngayo.
Not what they are talking about.
Into embili ezahlukene.
These are two different things.
Ngakho ubone okwami ukuthi ukukhombisa into yami yonke ileqiniso ithombe zami zihambisana nefoni yami.
To show that my story is the truth, my Lord, you can see my pictures are in accordance with my phone, what was taken from the phone.
Ifoni yami ithathwa ngophoyisa 2015 ngimi.
My phone was taken by the police officials in 2015.
Ngoba ngiyibona la ecourt.
Then I saw it here before the court.
Ineminyaka ingekho kimi.
It's been years it was not in my possession.
Kodwa siyakhuluma into eyenzeka ngelanga le-26 October 2014.
But it is still communicating what happened on the 26th of October 2014.
Khona lokho kunjalo ekubona ukuthi lento ayihlangana kodwa akafuni ukuvuma ngoba akafuni ukuhluleka.
Even when he sees that these things do not tally, he still does not want to concede because he does not want to fail.
phela ukona kusobala ukuthi nazi ithombe nayi phone ayihlangane noMncube.
Because it is clear from the pictures and the phone that these things do not tally, or they don't, tally together with Mncube.
No, not ukuthi lezi zinto ayihlangani nami.
Oh.
Icala nalezi zinto kaMncube akuhlangani.
Sorry about that. The case and Mncube's things don't tally together.
Kodwa khona lapho Foster unjalo ukuthi hayi uye
But he still forces, my Lord, and say, no, it's him,
ngoba akafuni ukuhlulela.
because he does not want to fail.
Kuningi okwenzakalile kule case le.
A lot happened in this case.
Ugelinda zama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi kubonakala ukuthi hayi uMncube uyoyenzile le case. Kodwa manje kumfaka ehlathini ngoba manje akuhlangana into zakhe.
Gelinda tried by all means, to give a picture that Mncube has done this, but at the end of the day, he's just found wandering in the forest because these things don't tally.
Akaphikiswa ngomlomo, uphikiswa ubufakazi obukhona la ecourt.
I am not the one who is maybe, my Lord, disputing these things, but it's the evidence that is before the court.
Kodwa yena akafuni ukuvuma kwezulu.
But he does not want to concede, my Lord. That's all I want to say.
Thank you, my lord. I'm going to request for a lunch adjournment. It's 8 minutes to 1, my lords.
Yes, no problem.